Hey, what up YouTube? I'm back again with another video. Right now I'm in the Beamer. I got all the parts. We about to put on the parts today. We about to get the Beamer driving because long story short, the car got hit by a deer and I just couldn't get it fucking fixed ever since then. So it's just like been around trying to like get the car to fix and shit, but we finally back, bro. Like we about to literally get the car driving today. I'm waiting for my boy to come install the parts. This is the bumper, the fender, the rear bumper, the fucking like control arm. Right there we got the control arm and everything. This is like the active grill. Like we got everything, like literally, bro. Car back 1 month of owning the car, deer ran into it. Like literally, I'm about to give you guys a cold start or something. Let me show you guys the damage. It's the damage right here. It's nothing bad. It's just a little like minor shit that's just like fucking it up, bro. Like what the fuck? As you guys can see, I even got a parking ticket. I got like 6 of them shits. Yeah, that's the damage right there. So what happened when the deer hit the car? The tire rod had snapped and the control arm bent. The deer didn't hit
what?
the car.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
The deer body flew into the rim, causing the tire to pop. I already fixed that. This is the damage. We about to get that fixed though. Literally, bro, 1 month of owning the car, literally nothing. Even got the rear bumper to put on there, the LCI bumper to put on there. Literally got everything, bro. Every fucking thing. But yeah, man, we about to be back outside though. We about to definitely be back outside. Look at this shit. Saucy. Saucy minus the fucking damage. Let me give you guys a cold start right now. Mind you, stock car. Stock car. She haven't started in like weeks. Fully active. Yeah, we back outside. I got the turbo kit, everything for the car, bro. Like, literally. It's just fucking dumb shit. Got everything out. Parts right here. Shit, everything, bro.
Let me see, because it's just a little rough.
Shit's crazy, bro. This shit, man, that shit still amazes me, bro. Yeah, guys, I don't even know how this shit was driving. That shit's bent. That's the new one, and that's the old one. This is the Beamer right here. Bro, we about to finally be back outside, bro. So that's what happened when the deer hit the car. End up spinning, end up hit, look. Lower control arm and the newer one. Old one, newer one. Old one is bent. That shit is horrible. We gotta put back everything on. Everything going back on the car. Literally. Shit. It is currently the next day. It's mad early because we got up. Because my boy about to come by mad early to fix the car. We did some shit yesterday. We got the lower control arm on there. And the car sits back properly. We didn't get the tire rod as yet because he had forgot the tool. That's why he's coming back mad early this morning to put on the tire rod for me. But we're having a little problem because this metal piece right here is bent, is hidden on the wheel. It wasn't doing that before because the control arm was bent and it was like cold in the wheel, a little weird. So we gotta beat
Why are you gay?
this back out so that way we could get this wheel to turn when we put the tire rod on there. So hopefully that go well, but you know, we're gonna get it to fix, man, because fuck. But that's basically it. After that is on there, the tire rod is on there, the car is gonna be able to drive. And the car should be able to drive and we should be back outside, man. And then after that, I'm gonna take it to the shop. That's the main thing. That's all we're waiting on. We're waiting on to get the car driving. That's it. The car drives, but it's just that the tire rod snapped on that. After the deer hit it, the tire rod has snapped and the what you call it had bent. The lower control arm. As you guys seen the video that I showed earlier. Like that shit is bent. So it's back up, man. We definitely come back different though. Definitely come back different for sure. But yeah, 100%. But that's it right now though. But that's all we got. We'll just wait for him to come here, and whenever we finish putting that on, we'll just put some clip of me test driving the car and see how it goes, you know. It should be good though, I hope. We got the car done. We just removed this part right here. Remove the whole fucking radiator support mount. That's all bent. Tire wasn't getting to rub there. Alignment is a little bit off, but I'm about to fix that. I'm about to get that fixed. The alignment is a little bit off, but I can fix that. Every shit in here. We outside, man. I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm about to do a pull. Let's drive the car. Right now we got chassis unstable, as you can see on the dash. We got that light up there because the alignment is a little bit off on the car. It's not a little bit off, it's crazy off, bro. Like this shit is way too off. So I'm about to see if I can hit up the alignment shop right now and see if I could get an alignment for the car, because alignment is way too off. Like shit is crazy. I'm trying to see if I could get it because I'm trying to take it today to get fixed at the shop. Like cars just drive weird, bro. Like this shit is just weird as hell. It's raining right now too, so that's another thing. But this shit went from not driving to driving. Oh my god, this shit is so fucking bad, bro. Like the alignment shit is so bad on this shit. Like this shit is so bad, bro. Like I'm just put my seat back, show you guys what's going on right now. This shit is so fucking bad, bro. Like look how this shit sit. The car is just pulling on one side. Like oh my god, you go over a fucking bump, it felt like this shit falling out. Alignment is shit. That's because we just did the tie rod has snapped. Control arm is bent, as you guys see in the video. It's just fucked. But the main thing now, the car is actually driving. That's one big problem that's over with, happily. But it's just the car needed an alignment. You see it says chassis position, driving position.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Driving possible, chassis unstable. This shit's crazy, bro. Yeah, it's just car just pulling on one side. Like look, this is how the car sits straight. But I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm at the alignment shop. Back driving, we just got here to the alignment shop, guys. This is damage. About to get this shit fixed because we need an alignment. You can't drive this shit all the way to New York for an alignment, bro. Because this shit is not gonna. It's like the car just doesn't want to turn. Like shit look easy. Just waiting on these niggas to fucking start fixing this shit. It's raining right now. It's raining like crazy. Mad rain, bro. Mad fucking rain. So yeah, we're here at the alignment shop. Hopefully they get it right. You know, and it's just some calm shit. Believe. The car just got back up on the lift, guys. My bad, I didn't mean to zoom in. The car just got up on the lift. We're about to get that alignment right, bro. Oh my god. About to definitely get that alignment right. We outside, baby. Definitely outside. Saucy. Definitely. I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit whenever the alignment is finished. This shit is definitely gonna be nice, bro. Oh my god. Got the LCI bumper I'm about to put on the back and the LCI taillights. Basically everything LCI. Shit's finna look different, bro. Different. But the LCI taillights haven't come in as yet, so I'm about to just put on the LCI bumper and the front bumper. And whenever those come in, I'm installing. I'm in the rain right now getting you guys this content, bro. This shit look crazy, saucy. This car up on the lift. We about to wait and see. Alignment is really bad, bro. Shit's bad. Like, really bad, he said, bro. Like, it's crazy. About to get this beast right, though. Definitely outside, baby. I'm gonna catch you guys when it's done. I'm gonna do a little pull for you guys, too. Yes, guys, we back again. So, car's almost done. That's how it was before, after. It's good. Almost done. We just gotta align one more little thing and clear the code and we out, bro. I'm about to do a pull for you guys in a moment. Don't worry. From the alignment shop, I'm doing a little launch for you guys. Whew, this shit geeked the fuck out, bro. Brakes are bad. Like, the brakes are bad on this shit, bro. Like, the brakes are so fucking shot on this shit. Like, I can't even make this shit up. Brakes is shot. Like, it's raining. I'm gonna catch you guys when it's stopped. So we finally back. Niggas made it.
Yes, sir.
What we doing right now, bro?
Backing this shit out.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Yo. Watch out, bro. He about to back it up. Watch out. He about to back it up. Nigga G. You good? You good? Oh shit. Back in business, baby. Back in fucking business.
One of them niggas back this shit out, bro.
Oh, yes, sir.
This shit dirty. You gotta get a wash.
We just seen that.
Nah, that shit nice, bro. You turn the lights off real quick.
Oh, he about to. There's a button.
Nah, just pull it up, bro.
Oh shit, my fault, big bro. Oh, he fixed it? Let's see. Yeah, you see, it wasn't like that.
That shit was broken, nigga. This is a side that had the damage too, dude.
Alright, bro, let's run.
Let's run. Damn, did he really clean this shit for real, gang? Or like?
They clean, but it was just sitting here, yo.
Not worth it.
Shit, yeah. This
I
shit
bet, so,
don't
like,
need-
what? You just gotta pay?
Yeah, I'm about to pay, but he say they gotta take it out because that shit's in the way. I don't know, they about to drag this shit out of there.
It was in the way.
I don't know. He said some shit's in the way, I don't know. I guess that post or some shit.
No, there was a car right here that was in the way. They took it out
Yeah,
already.
Yeah, you chillin' now.
Yeah, but it's hard to get out from here.
Nigga, just
Just turn it your wheel.
word.
Yeah, but let's rob this track
You
off
won't pay
first.
Fat Boy, bro. Before Fat Boy
Take the
starts
track?
logging out.
Hurry up.
Nah, it looks like it's dead in the
Nah, word. For how long, gang?
Sheesh.
Back
I'm
off
not
for
gonna lie,
shit.
this shit probably is like fucking like 50 bands though.
I mean, if you're sitting here,
Cause like they go for mad bread.
Yo, we got the taillights. What?
that was the gravel on the floor. Back that shit out, bro.
I'm inside.
Nah, when he did turn, it made a sound, but that was the gravel. You heard? Yeah. We outside with it, bro. Oh, my bad, bro. I almost killed myself. Yo, this shit, bro. Ought to make a fucking. Oh. Yo, it's fucking on, bro. New York is dead, bro. Damn, bro. Fuck. Shit look fire. Yeah, guys, we came pick the car up. Finally got the car back. We back outside, bro. We back outside. We came last week, but last week the fucking cooling line had popped. Oh, look at the track hog.
I'd walk that shit.
Look at the track hog. Look at the track. Track hog wildin', nigga. Ah! Ah! This shit back outside, bro. We back outside. For sure, for sure. Buddy, yo, do a pull, bro. Nigga, bro. Bro, better do a pull in that shit. Drag on, wildin' the fuck out. Yeah, man, we see, we active. We back outside for sure, for sure. Oh my God, yo. On camera, this shit look nice. Ah!
Yo, you head ass
YouTube, we back with another video. We got the Beamer right here, bro. It started from like yesterday. We had to pick the car up, but it got dark outside really quick, so I didn't get to record a lot on the car. But I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on right now, bro. Shit look right here. Shit look fire. It's just dirty, a little bit dirty, so I gotta take it for a wash. Everything looks clean, bro. Oh my God, this shit look fucking fire, bro. Like, y'all don't understand how clean this shit is, bro. Like, y'all see the transformation though. This shit look crazy. This is the back right here. I did the rear too. I got the lights coming. I gotta install that, and I gotta get the car wrapped too. But first, we just gotta fix the brakes, the little shit. We just gotta do the little shit. The beast right here. We about to get some flyby for you guys. Shit looking tough. About to get some flyby on the road right here. Test. Flyby, test right out here. We outside, bro. Yo, headlight look tough, bro. Shit look tough as fuck. These got all the old parts, old headlights, all that shit. Think we just got all the doors open, like. Anyway, I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm about to do some flybys. YouTube. Shit look
Straight up to the face. Oh, this game we play gets so dangerous. I'm in it to win, but still I know the stakes. In my mind, I just keep on reliving times that I was lost and worth than what I chased. All my life I've been so damn forgiven. I can't say no more, ain't no more giving grace. Brody died right outside his own crib and left me with a hoe that could nothing replace. Every time I pop out, now I dress and he can't.